Today we're going to talk about a fun little project that adults and children alike can do. We're talking about terrariums. Now there are two types of terrariums that you can utilize. You can use open terrariums, which is just a large glass container. You want to have something that is translucent so that the light can get to the plants. An open system is something that you're going to have to water more often, or you can seal it by placing a lid. This terrarium or this glass jar here has a stopper here that you can put in. But what's cool about terrariums is once they're planted, the water inside of the terrarium will be recycled. So it'll evaporate and then it'll translocate back down into the soil. And this is just really fun. It doesn't have a lot of maintenance. It can bring some beauty into your home and it's really cool. Children love it, adults love it. Now the plants that you want to utilize are typically dwarf plants or smaller plants, but remember that plants won't get any larger than the container that they're in. One of the great things that you can work with are these succulents, these very tiny ones that I've picked up like here. What's also great to use in terrariums are ferns, or you can use something like this pothos ivy that we grow all around the house that produces its own roots at the nodes, and it's very easy to propagate. Now one thing that you can also add for decorative is moss. You can add rocks, you could add little fairies and make it fun. But once this is planted, we water it in, and there's not much more to do. Maybe once a year we can add a little bit of fertilizer, or we can utilize a soil that has fertilizer already in it. But a fun and beautiful terrarium for the home. For Get It Growing, I'm Heather Kirk-Ballard with the LSU AgCenter.